Hi friends, welcome to our channel Cad Cam Learning. At first take my heartiest love. In this video, I will show you how to export a file in NX step by step. First, I open my mold design. This is my mold design, and now I am showing you how to export this design in NX. First, you go to file. Here you can see export and import. Now I go with export. In export you can see many things. I go with parasolid. Then I select my mold design and click OK. Then folder, then type name, and click OK. Now it is already gone to parasolid file. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.